Hi, my name is Omar Gamboa. I want to speak about my recipe. My recipe is lasagna. Okay, the ingredients are chicken, 1 pound, cheese, 500 grams, thyme, laurel, tomato, onion, pasta, margarine. Okay, first you need to break the tomato and onion in the dish, and then try chicken in the pot. Okay, pre-bake chicken during 5 minutes at dull cook. After in water spilled, add 1 cup of chicken, then add 1 cup of cheese and 1 cup of pasta. Also successfully till the end all the chicken, the cheese and pasta. For last, to carry the lasagna, the oven and wait 30 minutes. And to serve with wine. Then friends, goodbye.